Welcome back. Here is a small application based on the inclined plane. See, it is a fixed wedge of mass is not defined, fixed to the horizontal surface, and here on inclined surface of this wedge there are two blocks AB, mass of A M, mass of B is to M are placed when the system is released. Here smooth inclined surface, but coefficient of friction between these two blocks is mu, and releasing. Now the problem is find what is the minimum angle of inclination such that block A is rest relative to B while moving on this rough smooth inclined plane or wedge. Here it is the problem. Now see, when you release this object and there is no friction, here acceleration of the system for this block B, and it is acceleration is A is equal to g sin theta, the acceleration of body on inclined plane, smooth inclined plane. Now see, in this direction acceleration by resolving into components x and y, it is ax a cos theta, ay is a sin theta, and here the acceleration magnitude is g sin theta. In case of for A, if you draw free-body diagram for this one is, now see, pseudo force is act in this direction due to Ax, and here while coming to down mg minus n is equal to ma y, here where ay is a sin theta, and see this block A is rest relative to block B such that if limiting force is greater than or equal to max, the body is stationary with respect to B, and in y direction gravitational force of this block mg minus normal force is equal to may is a resultant force. Ay is a sin theta. Here by substituting a is as g sin theta, and it will become is mg minus n is equal to mg sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta. The magnitude of normal force of the block is mg cos square theta. Now the condition is when the block A is rest and B is limiting friction is greater than or equal to max. So here mu s for resting body into n is greater than or equal to ma cos theta. Here mu s normal force is mg cos square theta greater than or equal to m. A means g sin theta into cos theta. Here one cos get cancelled with along with weight. Mu s cos theta is greater than or equal to sin theta, or mu s greater than tan theta. Now see here theta should be less than or equal to tan inverse of mu s. Then block A is rest relative to block B on this smooth wedge which is fixed to the horizontal surface. Thank you.